My mom's going to talk to us about homemade digestive enzymes.
This is so crazy simple. If you want to make sauerkraut for homemade digestive enzymes, all you need are 2 ingredients. You need fresh, organic cabbage and salt. That's it. I shred the cabbage and I mix it with salt, massage it in until I have enough brine to cover it over. You can use this kind of thing where you put a glass on the top, a glass weight, and then this, you don't need something like this, but it's really handy because it burps. Or I put about 4 small cabbages in this one, and now I have enough sauerkraut to last for a while, and this keeps for a while if you put it in a cool place. And that's it. Super simple and way cheaper than buying at the store.